We are back here on Carolina Women. We're at Lava Fitness with our friend Dr. Annette. It is great to see you. Holiday season is upon you. I know. We've got a good scoop on the way to make your smile and your face glow.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about some tricks of the trade that you can share with our audience.
So, I'm thinking about holiday parties coming up. You're getting together with a lot of friends. Things that we can do at the dental office. Obviously, we can always whiten your smile. That's kind of an instant gratification thing.
Can I ask a question just from that? Are there different ways to whiten your teeth?
Yes, absolutely. When I started with the instant gratification one, right? That's the person that wants to come in, whiten your teeth, and then you're done. You walk in, you walk out, you're nice and white.
How do you do that?
I would like that.
Yes, it's the best way to go. Yeah. So, you spend about an hour and a half with us. You're basically laying in a chair. We tell you to bring some ear pods or something, but you wear, there's a ultraviolet light that helps accelerate the whitening process. You're basically laying back, and basking in the, just relaxing. And then we place there's a gel that we place on your teeth, and we do several rounds of it, and you leave white. So
that's kind of cool.
It's a nice thing to do to kind of touch up before holiday parties.
And then second way to whiten.
So
pressed white strips.
So yes, you can. Pressed white strips, they do work, but they're not the best because they don't always get into the little crevices. So if you're not perfectly straight, the results are not as good.
So maybe a good in-between visit.
They could, yes. Or we could also do trays, so we have these little plastic trays that we can custom.
Like retaineries?
They look like retainer. There's a gel you place in it, and then that's another way you can do it at home.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
But you said there are things that we didn't realize that you do at the office too.
Yes, so we also do Botox. We also have been trained to do Juvederm for dermal filler, but Botox is a big one for our office because what we can do, we know the facial muscles. Yeah. So it's a nice way, and I always say to kind of frame your smile. We do, for us ladies that are getting more
we were
seasoned.
Getting the scoop all late.
We were more seasoned, like a fine wine. We can do, lines on your forehead.
Okay.
The angry mother lines, these crow's feet. We could do those, and then we could also, kind of make your lip a little fuller with like a lip flip.
Okay, so what is that? How does that work?
So this muscle. Okay. Around your mouth, it kind of looks like a circle.
Got it.
So when we smile, it thins it out our upper lip.
Okay.
So we can actually place Botox around the rim, and it just relaxes that muscle. So when we smile, our lip looks fuller.
Oh, it doesn't
curl under.
Yeah,
as
curl
much.
under.
Yes.
That makes so much.
Yes.
If someone comes in, if Erin and I come in, Maria, whoever, and can you advise this would be a great thing for you, or I'm not?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, there are things that we like to do at the office that are very easy. I mean, obviously, there's some other things that are much more advanced that you say, you know what, maybe this is one that you go to, a physician or a nurse practitioner for. But for really the easy. It's, we could do it. There's a lot of fun things that we can do. I mean, we also use Botox in other ways too for TMJ, and that actually slims the face because this muscle gets really full when you're a grinder clincher. So you can actually use it in the muscles to help in that way too.
So really we could come in if we didn't know and just say, here's what we got, here's where we are.
What would you advise?
A consultation.
Absolutely.
You said come in a little earlier because it takes a couple months actually for the full effect.
Right. Yeah, I mean, you'll probably notice it takes maybe a week or two to really start to kick in.
Okay.
But you're thinking November, December for holiday parties. So this would be that time to really just think about starting to do it because then you'll be kind of in full effect by the time
we're
the
at the
holiday
end of September.
Yes, I know.
It's coming up.
If you have a procedure, don't put it off. Why is that?
No, and I mean, like I said, with the holidays coming up, and we always think about Thanksgiving and eating.
Right.
If there's things that need to be done, do it now because we do get a lot of emergency, and I feel so bad for when patients have problems.
Oh yeah, when they come to visit, that's the last thing you want to do.
And having a dental emergency.
Oh, and being in Hilton Head, we do have a lot of visitors that come and we hear all these things, and they're like, oh, we have
my cat fell down,
or my tooth broke and I can't eat. So try to take care of those things preventatively ahead of time. That way, it doesn't ruin your holidays.
You are a wonderful guest. It's really a lot of fun, and it makes me want to.
It makes me want to sit.
Me too, exactly. I know. I'm like, what can we do today? Stay with us. There's a lot more to come here on Carolina Women.